this guy is getting ultra super bored. So we thought of just getting out of the house and do anything.
Anything.
See and see how it goes and just do whatever we feel like.
Yeah. Right now, first go eat, then if possible a movie. Later on, I
We're
don't know.
going for lunch now.
Nothing planned. The best part of coming to the mall on a weekday is this. You get easy parking. Easy peasy. After 2 years, I finally feel normal. Like nobody wearing masks, everything is fine. Just walking around. I decided to have a Mysore masala dosa from here. It's really a good place. They're cooking right before you to watch and see how they're cooking before you. Excuse me, what are you taking? Momos. So my Mysore masala dosa is ready. So my food is over. Completely so aloo, everything. I'm not going to calculate any calories. The best point is, be wise when you're ordering food. I ordered dosa, mera khana ho bhi gaya, and she's sitting idle. What did you order?
Chili garlic noodles.
Never go to a place where there's too much of crowd. Finally, she got her food. नूडल्स खा रही है. छोरी बच्ची हो क्या? जयेश भाई जोरदार. I hope Ranveer Singh makes us laugh. ऑनलाइन बुकिंग की इतनी आदत पड़ गई तो I was never checking the price. So now I actually check how much it's costing me. When I come to the theatre directly and take, it's costing me 200 per ticket with no additional taxes. If I buy it online, it costs me 50 rupees.
So choose wisely.
It was at 3:05 and this amazing woman is delayed it by 5 minutes. I hope it doesn't start. No, it didn't start. This is the advantage of coming on a date. Whole room. I didn't book. It's free. Just booked 2 tickets. Movie was amazing. Jayesh bhai.
जोरदार.
So the movie is done. अब जा रहे चाय पीने के लिए. टपरी वाला चाय में ही मजा है. So she is a chai freak. So we're going for a chai. She turned me also into a freak. So let's go have chai. This is our evening tea after the movie. The movie was really good, so we had little headache. After a garma garam chai, we thought we'll go for go-karting. चलो चलते. Are you excited for it? It's been 5 years, more than 5 years for me. So go-karting. Let's go. So finally we are at this place, the go-karting. We'll have a race and let's see who's gonna win.
I'll win because I did many times.
Look at the face with fear, getting scared before the ride. Guys, look at the face after this thing. You have to turn it hard.
So
She got and she went and she collapsed into this, but then she came back again. This was nice, fun. fun activity followed by dinner.
I don't like it, guys.
It was fun. She's scared, that's why she doesn't like it. Or
I
else it
don't
was amazing.
enjoy it.
Why you don't enjoy it?
That day was like, आप किसी को तो घुसाएंगे तो मुझे डालेंगे लोग. I don't know, ఎంత cautious చేస్తున్నారు already నేను.
You don't have to get. Actually, no, you have to follow this path.
Arya, that thing I didn't. It was so hard for me to.
Okay, but overall, how was it? Like, good?
Different.
Different. That's the main point. Tried something different. Woo! Followed by dinner, where
Anyway,
go home and cook.
you cook.
Music. I have the lift here, which will take you up to this point. So that is it. That's how we turned a boring day to a bit special day. And we didn't calculate any calories. Ate a lot. And we're gonna go home straight and